What is triple paste used for? This medication is used to treat and prevent diaper rash and other minor skin irritations, such as burns, cuts, scrapes. It works by forming a barrier on the skin to protect it from irritants, moisture. How to use triple paste ointment. Use this medication on the skin only. Follow all directions on the product package or use as directed by your doctor. Avoid getting this medication in the eyes. If you do get the medication in the eyes, flush with plenty of water. If you are using the spray, shake the container well before each use. This medication should start working within 12 hours. Tell your doctor if your condition gets worse, does not improve, lasts for more than 7 days, or occurs again after a few days. A very serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare. However, seek immediate medical attention if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, itching, swelling, especially of the face, tongue, throat, severe dizziness, trouble breathing.